Okay everyone, so in this Shopify Simple theme tutorial part 3, we're gonna learn how you can add a logo, and also in the end we're gonna create a free logo on canva.com. Okay, so let's do this. Okay, so in this Shopify Simple theme tutorial part number 3, we're gonna learn how we can create a logo and how we can add a logo to our Shopify store. So to add a logo, we first can go to online store. Then go to this one, themes. Click on customize. Okay, then click on header. So now we can add a logo right here. So just click on select image. Click on upload an image. Choose your logo. Then click on open. Okay, so now we have the logo right here to the left. Then click on select. So now we can change the size of the logo. So just go to custom logo vid in pixels. So let's say I want to have this one in 250, like that. We can also click on edit to add an image alt text. So this is good for search engine. So write a brief description of this image to improve search engine optimization, SEO, and accessibility for visually impaired customers. Okay. Then click on save. Okay, so this is how you add your logo. If you don't have a logo, you can just go to canva.com. I will leave a link below. Create an account. It's for free. Then click on logo. So here we got a lot of layouts. So you can choose one of these. So let's say I want to use this one. So now you can just click on the text and change to the text you want. Okay. Change the text size. Like that. We can change this text. Change the size. Okay. We can change the size of the box. Move the text. Like that. We can also change the color of the text. Just highlight the text you want to change. Click on the color and choose one of these. You can also change to another color if you click on the plus sign and move along the mouse like this. Release. You can also add a color code right here. You can also change this color. Just move around. Release. Okay. So when you are satisfied with your logo, just click on download. Choose PNG. If you have a business account, you can use transparent background. If not, you will get this white background. It's no problem if you have a white background in a Shopify store. Then just click on download. Okay everyone, so then you can just go to your store. We can change this one. Click on upload. Choose the logo, click on open. Now you have the logo right here. Okay? And if you want to have less space around it right here, you have to go to, you can go to pixlr.com, open the file. Click on crop and just make it smaller like that. Click on apply, save this one. Okay, go back, upload, choose the logo, click on open, like that. So now we have a bigger logo without the space above and under. Okay everyone, so this is how you can add a logo to your Shopify store, and also how you can create the free logo with Canva.com, and also how you can use Pixlr.com to remove some extra white space. Okay, so let's go to part number 4. Okay everyone, so I hope you now have an awesome logo on your Shopify store. If you haven't subscribed already, click right here for more of these tutorials. Alright, so let's go to part number 4. Just click on this image. Alright, so I hope you have an awesome day. Take care and bye.